don't see some concerted action on the other side, we're going to be placed at a competitive disadvantage. As we prepare for the G8 summit in Italy and look ahead to the G20 summit in Pittsburgh, we agreed on the need to avoid protectionism and to embrace concerted collective action that creates sustainable growth and shared prosperity.
I believe that with the concerted efforts of all the parties, the summit in Seoul will produce positive outcomes.
Concerted action that the world needs to take right now to right our economic ship. But we have to remember, America is still the
Un tema más que quiero mencionar, durante el fin de semana, esto son las noticias, por fin finalizamos un acuerdo interino con Irán, con el P5+1, que incluye a los Estados Unidos. Este acuerdo con Irán nos dará el tiempo y el espacio de negociar de manera más integral lo que ha sido una de las inquietudes más importantes que tiene Estados Unidos, que es evitar que Irán consolide un programa nuclear por el tiempo.
I just want to emphasize that this interim agreement is the result of concerted international action, including unprecedented sanctions, that brought Iran to the table and allows us now to halt their program as we enter into intensive discussions around what would be a sustainable, comprehensive, long-term deal. It's something we can shape for the better through concerted and collective effort. And I encouraged the Secretary General to continue to work with us to press those countries who have not yet put forward bold, aggressive plans to do so, because we need Paris to be a success, and the world has to step up in a concerted way on behalf of our children.